In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning duet using Suno AI. This is an exciting way to blend your musical talents with an existing song and produce something truly unique by overlaying your own vocals or instrumentals. So, let's dive straight in and get started. First, we begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. It's important to ensure that your browser is up to date for optimal performance. Once Chrome is open, you'll need to navigate to the Suno AI website and sign into your account. If you are new to Suno AI, you will first need to register for an account by following the on-site prompts. After signing in, you'll be brought to your Suno AI dashboard, which is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Now that you're inside your account, it's time to select a song. You have two options here. Either choose a song from your existing library or upload a new one to duet with. If you're uploading a new song, be patient as the platform processes your file. Once your song is ready, you're all set to move to the next exciting step. Here comes the creative part. You'll want to find and click on the Create Duet option. This feature allows you to overlay your own musical creativity atop the existing track. Now it's time to record your part. Whether you're singing along with the original artist or adding in some instrumental flair, make sure your microphone or instrument is set up properly. Take a moment to ensure there is minimal background noise for the best recording quality. This step gives you the freedom to showcase your style and skills. Once you've completed your recording, the next step is crucial, adjusting the volume and effects. Suno AI offers a variety of audio effects that can enhance your duet, such as reverb or echo. Play around with these options until you find a blend that complements both your input and the original track. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious sound where both elements shine. Satisfied with the mix? Great. It's time to save your creation. Carefully review your work once more before clicking the Save button. After saving, you'll want to download your duet track to your computer. Click on the Download option, typically found in the same menu, and choose a destination folder where you'd like to store your new masterpiece. And that's it! You've successfully created a duet using Suno AI. Experimenting with different songs and styles is a fantastic way to improve your skills and have fun. Don't hesitate to share your talent on social media or with friends who appreciate your musical journey. Thank you for watching and happy music making.